नमस्कार बच्चों। तो लास्ट क्लास में हम लोगों ने देखा कि एलिमेंट्री रो ऑपरेशंस और एलिमेंट्री कॉलम ऑपरेशंस क्या होते हैं। आज हम लोग इस पे क्वेश्चन करने वाले हैं। यूजिंग एलिमेंट्री ऑपरेशंस फाइंड द इनवर्स ऑफ दिस मैट्रिक्स। दिस इज अ CBSE 2026 मार्क्स क्वेश्चन। सो व्हाट वी विल डू इज वी विल अज्यूम this A matrix as A, that is 2 0 minus 1 5 1 0 0 1 3. Now I am using elementary row operations, so we will write A is equal to AI. We will write A, this matrix as here, we will write I as 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 and matrix A as A only. Now first of all we have to make this first element as 1, then this as 0, then this as 0, then we will try to make this as 0, then 1, then 0, then 0 0 1. You can also change the order, but if we try to convert this matrix into an identity matrix in this order, then we will complete it in minimum number of steps. At times we have to change the order also, but we will still try to take it as 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Now look, first what I am doing is I am interchanging row 1 and row 2. So when we interchange row 1 and row 2, this 5 1 0 becomes my first row and this 2 0 minus 1 becomes my second row. Similarly, the same operation we will also apply on the right hand side identity matrix. This A will remain as A. Now to make this 5 as 1, what we will do is we will write R1 as R1 minus twice R2. Twice R2. Twice R2 में क्या होगा? 2 becomes 4 and 5 minus 4 is 1. So this becomes 1. So R1 tends to R1 minus twice R2. 5 minus twice of 2 is 1. 1 minus twice of 0 is 1. 0 minus twice of minus 1 is plus 2. Similarly 0 minus twice of 1 is minus 2. 1 minus twice of 0 is 1. 0 minus twice of 0 is 0. Rest of the two rows, that is row 2 and row 3, remains as it is. Now we have to make this element as 0. So what we will do is we will apply the operation row 2 tends to row 2 minus twice row 1. ठीक है, ये 2 है, ये 1 है, इसमें से इसका twice माइनस करेंगे तो 0 मिलेगा. So R2 tends to R2 minus twice row 1. देखिए 2 में से इसका twice माइनस करिए 0, 0 में से इसका twice minus 2, minus 1 minus 2 times 2 is minus 5. Similarly, we will apply the same operation in right hand side matrix. 1 minus 2 times 2 is 5, 0 minus 2 times 1 is minus 2 and 0 minus 0 is 0. Rest first and third rows are as it is. Now this is 1, this is the 0, this is already 0. Now this is 1. What we have to do is we have to change this 1. We have to make this 1 into 0. So what we'll do is we'll apply the operation R1 tends to R1 minus R3. ऐसा करने से क्या होगा बच्चों? 1 minus 0 is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0, 2 minus 3 is minus 1. Similarly, we'll apply the operation here. Now this is minus 2, this is 1. It is very clear that if we interchange these two, that is if we interchange row 3 and row 2, then we'll get 1 over here. Also what we can do is first we'll make this as 0 and then we will interchange. It is one and the same thing. So first I'll make this 0. So to make this 0, what we will do is we will apply the row operation. Row 2 tends to row 2 plus twice row 3. So 0 plus twice of 0 is 0. Minus 2 plus twice of 1 is 0. Minus 5 plus twice of 3. Twice of 3 is 6. Minus 5 when added to 6 is 1. Same is done over here. Now this becomes 0. This is 1. Now what we need is we need 1 over here and 0 over here. So what we will do, we will interchange the rows. That is, we will apply the operation, first operation, row operation, that is R2 and R3 will interchange these rows. So 1 0 minus 1 as it is. This third row 0 1 3 becomes my second row and this second row 0 1 0 1 becomes my third row. Same operation is done on the right hand side matrix also. Now this is 1 0 0 0 1 0. What we have to do now is we have to make this minus 1 as 0. ठीक है, इसे जीरो करने के लिए हम लोग क्या करेंगे, -1 में 1 ऐड कर देंगे. सो विल अप्लाई द ऑपरेशन रो 1 टेंड्स टू रो 1 प्लस रो 3. ऐसा करने से बच्चों 1 plus 0 is 1, 0 plus 0 is 0, -1 plus 1 is 0. Rest of the two rows will remain the same. Similarly, -2 plus 5 is 3, 1 minus 2 is -1, -1 plus 2 is 1. Rest two rows are same. This is 1 0 0 0 1 0 0. This is already 1. So what we have to do is we have to make this 3 as 0. So we'll apply the row operation that row 2 tends to row 2 minus thrice. Row 2 tends to row 2 minus thrice row 3. Look. So first row as it is. Second, we will change second. 0 minus 3 times 0 is 0. 1 minus 3 times 0 is 1. 3 minus 3 times 1 is 0. Same operation, that is 0 minus 3 times 5 is minus 15. 0 minus 3 times minus 2 is plus 6. 1 minus 3 times 2 is minus 5. And the third row remains as it is. Now, this A is now converted into an identity matrix, and this I identity matrix has become a new matrix. We all know that I is equal to A inverse A. हम लोगों ने पढ़ा है बच्चों what is an invertible matrix. Invertible matrix अगर A and B are two square matrices of same order such that A into B is equal to B into A is equal to I, then B is inverse of A and A is inverse of B. इसका मतलब A में A को inverse multiply करेंगे you will get I, और A into A inverse is also I. So this matrix is A inverse. Hence we'll write that A inverse is -3 minus 1 1, minus 15 6, minus 5 5, minus 2 2. I hope this is clear. Thank you, students.